Hey guys, I hope you're doing well. So today's video is going to be a hair tutorial. I'm going to show you how I crimp my hair. This hair is from Ali Pearl and I got 30 inches. I don't know if you can see how long that is. It literally goes all the way down to my bum to show you how long it is. And I'm 5'7", so it is pretty long, but it's still it still suits my height. I usually get 26 or 28 and I thought why not push it up a little bit more and get 30. So this is the 5x5 closure. Honestly been enjoying closures, like closure wigs, because they're so much easier to maintain and just easier to put on. But I also added like 2 bundles as well, 30 inches, just so I can get it looking fuller. So I'm going to show you how I curl it or I crimp it. This is definitely perfect for like holiday, vacation. Summer's coming for those of you who will be going on holiday and taking vacations and taking trips. This is definitely like a really nice like wavy crimped vibe and it just looks so nice. Okay, so let's get straight into the tutorial. wig on, I'm gonna just cut the lace. As you can see, the lace is literally HD lace. It's really, really thin, and it's just so much easier to lay if it's a closure. I'm just gonna look at my mirror over here, and I'm gonna cut the lace. Just spray the lace with the Wig Guru's spray. I actually bought a new one, but I can't find it, so I'm just using this one that's almost finished. So because I've tightened the straps to the back of the wig, it's actually tight. It is actually glueless. You can wear it like this because it's pretty secure. Using the Got2b Ultra Glued, just gonna lay the front lace flat. Love how long it is. Definitely perfect for summer if you guys are going on holiday, or just love this kind of like crimped style. Hope this really helped you. I'll leave all the information in the description box, the hair specs and also the stuff that I use, the products that I use, and the crimper as well, just in case you don't have one and you're looking to get one. I really like it. I think it does a really good job as well. It does get quite hot. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.